Hi guys, welcome to Tag My College. Okay, so today I'm gonna tell you about the top 10 engineering colleges name in Rajasthan. So we'll be talking about the Rajasthan big engineering colleges name in this video. So before knowing the names of the top engineering colleges in Rajasthan, let me just brief you about Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the land of the kings and is the India's largest state by area, which is approx you could see 342 in 6 figures square kilometers. And the capital of the city is basically Jaipur, which is also known as Pink City. And the other important states are Jodhpur, Udaipur, Bikaner, Kota, and Ajmer. So we'll be talking about like many civilization has taken place in the Rajasthan when it comes to the history of Rajasthan, and it's as it is like it's a home to two national tiger reserves as well. So this was just like Rajasthan has a lot to give in the tourism and as well as in the education as well. So now we'll be talking about the top 10 engineering colleges in Rajasthan. That is the list of the top 10 engineering colleges is in front of you. The very first is taken by Malvi National Institute of Technology, that is MNIT. Talking about MNIT, that's a deemed university and it's a joint venture of the Government of India and the Government of Rajasthan as well. More than 12,000 students have already been graduated since its establishment and many more are yet to. The fee for in the BTech course is 3,92,000 approx, and you need to have JEE mains in order to apply for this university, for this college, that is MNIT. It's quite famous. It's you can see it's at the number 1. And the very best thing about MNIT is that even if you're having 45% marks in your 10 plus 2 and a good score in your JEE mains, then you need not have to worry about MNIT. Doors are open for you. That is Malvi National Institute of Technology at Jaipur. So that was number 1, Malvi National Institute of Technology. At number 2, we have Career Point Technical Campus. The Career Point Technical Campus is in Rajasthan, that is affiliated to your Rajasthan Technical University. It's a private university basically, and the BTech course fee of the BTech course is 2,36,000 approx. And there are many high qualified and experienced facilities. The placement of the company is basically taken forward by Coca-Cola, BSNL, LG, Dulux, HDFC, Hyundai, and so on. So that was Career Point Technical Campus in Rajasthan. Next, at number 3, I have Birla Institute of Technology and Science, that is BITS Pilani. So I need not have to say much on your BITS Pilani. India Today ranked it 3rd and NIRF is 16. It's a deep university basically, and BTech B courses are available. You can see BE in honors is approx 10,95,890, and for the eligibility you need to give BITSAT in this. Like it's very compulsory to give your BITSAT in order to get admission in your BITS Pilani. So BITSAT is the separate exam taken by Birla Institute of Technology and Sciences of Pilani, and the campus is located in your Pilani, so that is quite famous. And the candidate should have 75% in their 12th scored up, then only like it comes in the eligibility criteria of the BITS Pilani. Apart from that BITSAT you have given, you should have 75% in your 10 plus 2. It's quite tough, but it's not hard, that impossible. It's quite tough to get admission in BITS, but it's not impossible. You just have to put yourself among all of them and present in a way. Even if the 60% marks students are be taken if you fall in some of the categories over here. So that was BITS Pilani, that is Birla Institute of Technology and Sciences of Pilani campus. Then moving ahead, we have IIT Jodhpur. IIT is again the renowned names, and NRF gives it 65 rank. It's located in Jodhpur itself. It's best known for the reputed faculty and outstanding caliber. Okay, I need not have to say much on IIT, but I will just quote out its fees, that is 4,10,000. And yes, in IIT, in all the IITs, even JEE Advanced is quite compulsory, so you should have given JEE mains as well as qualified it, and should be proceeded towards JEE Advanced in order to get admission in your IIT Jodhpur, that is at number 4. Moving ahead, at number 5, I have LNM Institute of Information Technology, that is LMNIIT. Talking about this LNMIIT, it is situated in Jaipur in the Rajasthan and considered as one of the best information technology colleges in India. It's approved by University Grants Omission and is considered as the pioneer in many student development activities that has been automated for the discipline interaction. So the course fee in this college is 10 lakhs 26,000 in your BTech, and for your MTech it's 4 lakh 36,000. Apart from that, JEE mains is quite compulsory in order to get admission in this college, and 60% in your 10th and 12th is agreeing compulsory in order to have admission in your LMNIT. Though it is a deemed university, but placements by this company is taken by big names itself. So that was a LMNIT at number 5. Moving ahead, at number 6 I have Jaipur Engineering College and Research Center. That is, Jaipur Engineering College and Research Center is located in Jaipur and has been affiliated by Rajasthan Technical University. The course fee in BTech is 2,92,000 and a LEAP score is valid over here. LEAP is the lateral entry score, so lateral entry exam, so that score is quite valid quite taken by Jaipur Engineering College and Research Center in order to take admission in their college. Now companies like Accenture, NIIT, Boscos, Wipro, Genpact pick their future employees from Jaipur Engineering College and Research Center. So that was number 6. Moving ahead, we have College of Technology and Engineering. Talking about College of Technology and Engineering, that is located in your Udaipur. It's also known as CTAI and is affiliated by Maharana Pratap University of Agriculture and Technology. The course fee is 2,48,950 and JEE score is quite compulsory. See guys, do not miss your JEE mains as it is very compulsory. Most of the universities prefer only this score rather than going to another one, and this score is like very important if you are applying for the engineering colleges. Moving ahead, next is the Maharana Pratap University of Agriculture and Technology, that is MPUAT. Talking about MPUAT, it is located in Jaipur and affiliated by Maharana Pratap University of Agriculture and Technology itself. The course fee of BTech is 2,90,000. Next, at last we have is your MBM Engineering College, that is MBM Engineering Colleges is located in Jodhpur of Rajasthan and is affiliated by Jai Narayan Vyas University. This is one of the oldest college in India, which was established in 1951. The college is spread over 62 acres of campus, having more than 1 lakh students in 17 different courses. The college provides BTech degree in various branches. Like you can see, there are the 10 branches being provided. Apart from that, it takes intake on the basis of the JEE mains score. So MBM Engineering College is one of the oldest college in India and as well as in Rajasthan. So that was all top 10 names of the engineering colleges that comes in the Rajasthan state. So that is MNIT, Carrier Point Technical Campus, BITS Pilani, IIT JEE, IIT Jodhpur, LMNIT, JECRC, CTAE, MPUAT, MBM. That is all the 10 names for the engineering colleges in Rajasthan. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching the video. That was all for the video. To know more about our updates, please do not forget to subscribe us at Tag My College. Till then, bye bye. See you in the next video.